So guys, this is what the street of Calabar looks like on a rainy day and at night. I hope you enjoy the sight and view of the city. Yes, it was nice having a walk around the town, Mariam precisely, and around the Tower Junction, which is like the highlight of Mariam. You know, for those who are familiar with town, you know, a lot of stuff happens around there. If you are seeing this and you have not subscribed by now, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber who have stayed with us, thank you very much. We do appreciate you. Thank you very much. So thank you very much, guys. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.